Before and after.
D-Vela Motors process of repair and paint. Enjoy the video.
Back bumper damaged by collision on Range Rover 2018. Another angle of the damage. Trunk damage. Muffler and back panel damage. Back panel of the tire damage. Dent on the panel. Reinforcement and back panel damaged. Inventory of damaged pieces. Interior of the panel of the extra tire repaired. Exterior of the panel repaired. Paint time. Paint finished. Interior of the panel painted. New trunk installed and painted. Another angle. New emblem of the Range Rover. Guide for emblems. One emblem installed. Emblem process finished. Rear glass installed. Interior of the trunk reassembled. Process finished. Thanks for watching. Please like and follow for more.